Welcome back to another edition. I hope you guys are glad to see me. I hope you guys are glad to see me again. So we are on our way to go do a shoot on a beautiful TypeR. Yo, this TypeR is my personal best TypeR I've ever seen. Yo, the stuff he has done to this car, it's amazing. But yeah, we're on our way. As you can see, we're in the Dalsel with the top down. Ooh. So yeah, we're on our way to go shoot the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, share with your friends and family, and peace out. So I'm sitting with the owner of this beautiful TypeR. Did you want to explain to them what your name is, how you got the car, what you done to the car, and everything?
Hi, my name is K24. This is a 2008 on the TypeR. I got the car last year, February. So the things that have been done to the car, full K24 conversion, ISC coilovers, ported hidden gas flow, cut cams, and that exhaust by Profit, 63 more. That's about all, like performance wise.
And if I might ask, who did your case swap for you?
Anise with the yellow ballad.
Okay, yo, that I didn't even know this thing was a case swap. If I might ask, your interior, who did your interior for you?
That was a guy in Guru. He does it out of his house. I was there by him a long time ago, so I don't really know his name.
Yeah, because this is the first time I see a TypeR with this interior in the car and everything. That if I might ask, how do you keep the car maintained and clean?
Well, the first time I saw that the leather was getting a bit dirty, I just went to buy the leather cleaner. So like at least like once or twice a week, I just try to keep it clean and just clean it.
If I might ask, have you done any shows of the car, racing?
I went to Street Fish. I won the best interior, but other than that, I wasn't in any other competitions. I never raced a Kilani. Not really a racing guy.
So you not put in your car on Kilani or anything? Not that much.
Just first, second, third finish.
Is there any plans coming up for the car now or any more stuff adding?
I think I reached the limit for this car. Can't even think what else to do with it.
Did you put in the screen by yourself?
The screen and the system was put in by Soundmates in Monte Gardens.
Yeah. This is the first time that I see a Type R with a screen in, like, actually this is the most nicest, for me, the best Type R in Cape Town. Or in the world. I must say, this is the best Type R I've ever seen. What, if I might ask, what rims is on the car?
This is BBS 18-inch forward by racing edge.
Sure. The rims goes with it, everything just goes with the car, if I must say.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
But I want to say thank you for coming out today, for allowing me to get some cinematics on the car, to talk to you about the car and everything that you have done about the car.
No problem. Thank you for having me.